Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming baseline requirements. Fivem and GTAV are updated, and Windows has recent patches. Once done, disable overlays and background apps that hook network or input because they cause packet timing issues. Make sure you restart router and PC to clear transient network states and switch to wired Ethernet to reduce packet loss and jitter. Also, run Fivem as administrator and verify your antivirus or firewall isn't quarantining components, since permission blocks can produce desync symptoms. Next, you diagnose where desync originates by checking network and server load. Run ping and tracert to the server to expose high latency or packet loss. If spikes occur, contact your ISP or change routes. Monitor CPU, RAM, disk, and GPU while joining. Resource starvation creates local prediction errors. Once you identify server-side culprits, inspect server scripts, vehicle spawners, and heavy resources that cause frequent state corrections. If possible, test on a clean client or low-population server to separate client versus server problems. Finally, apply proven fixes and run controlled tests. You should clear the Fivem cache, verify GTAV files, and remove mods that alter network/state handling, because corrupted assets often trigger desync. Tune bandwidth limits and interpolation/prediction settings on both client and server to smooth state reconciliation, and then rejoin several times to confirm stability. If issues persist, collect client logs and a packet capture, then share them with the server admin for deeper analysis. This evidence speeds targeted fixes and prevents repeated guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.